Hi lovelies, Kia from Car Bookkeeping Specialist, and today I'm answering one of the common questions. So frequently asked question 101 is what happens if I miss a self-assessment tax return deadline? So first of all, don't be freaked out, don't be super scared. It's really common, it happens a lot, especially for new or first time business owners or self-employed people. It is a new thing, okay? So it does happen a lot. The first thing that you can do to prevent it happening is go ahead and sign up to our newsletter. Every single month we send the deadlines for the month that's going to be coming. So you're pre-warned, you're notified in advance. You don't have to worry about missing any deadlines. You're going to know about them in advance anyway. So that will help you not miss deadlines in future. If you do miss a self-assessment tax return filing or payment deadline, you're going to get this is what's going to happen. You're going to get £100 penalty, okay, and that is for up to 3 months late, and then you can get interest fees on top of that penalty. So it's not nice. It's an unhappy situation, okay, but my advice is to always appeal any penalty or any fine you get from HMRC. Always go down the appeal route as much as you can. If it's your first offence, they can be very, very generous. If you've got a valid reason or reasonable excuse, anything like that, you just need to explain it to them. And most of the time, those fines and penalties can be reduced or waived or just completely disappeared off and not a problem for you anymore. So please do appeal them if you can. If you are worried about missing a deadline, I mean, you've still got a little bit of time, so please try and file now. If you need help, call me and I will help you. Try not to miss a deadline. If you're worried that you're going to miss the deadline or any future deadlines or anything like that, get in touch. I'll leave my contact details around the video, and we know that there's always a last minute rush, and we're prepared to help people who are in that situation, so you can get in touch. Okay guys, I'm keeping it short and sweet today. Thank you so much. Bye.